Yo, what's up traders? Welcome to a new video. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to export TradingView data to Excel or CSV. Okay, so this is TradingView. It's free to use. However, if you want to use more advanced features, then you have to upgrade to the Essential or the Plus plan, whatever you prefer. Just check out the link down below in the description for $15 off. But okay, this is free. You go over here to the upside and you see manage layouts. You click on that, and then over here export chart data, you click on that, and then you can select the specific chart. At the moment I'm looking at the Australian dollar versus the USD on the daily time frame, and you can play around with whatever you want, the Unix timestamp or the ISO time, and then you click on export. And in that way you have easily created a CSV file. And yeah, that's it basically. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.